Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at edit mode tricks where we can use edit mode to basically make any shape we want by hand manually. In case you've got some weird thing like you're making a side view mirror on a car, you can't think how to use what we've already learned to make it, you can always resort to making it basically by hand from scratch. So here's just an example here. So I've deleted my cube. I'm going to add a mesh plane. And with the plane, I'm going to hop into edit mode. And you can see here I've got the shape. And the neat thing with this is you don't have to keep all the points that are already here. If you wanted to, you could go into vertex select. I could select that vertex, delete the vertice, right? And you can see, and it may be hard to see on your computer, but let me hit A for all. You can see I still have 3 vertices left. If you wanted to start using these, grab Y. To start customizing, you can start to move these vertices around, extrude Y, and you'll see that extrude X, grab Y. You see that you can make basically any little shape you want, and I'm basically making it like a top-down view. Now, if you actually switch into top view, this is easier. View, viewport top. This will be a little easier to do my extrudes, but extrude, extrude, extrude. I think you get the idea here. Let's say that's a shape that I needed, for my thing. And you can leave it like this unconnected because now I'm just going to do fills. I could select that vertice, shift key, and select that vertice, hit F to fill between them. And when you fill between vertices, it just makes an edge. And then I could take all these guys here. I could hit A for all, and A will select all items of your type that you have selected. And I could hit F to fill. And you can see now it sort of filled the shape. And then I can E to extrude. And you can come up. And if you wanted to scale it, whatever you want to do. But you can see how you can start building up your mesh to really be any shape you want if you can't figure it out with the other shapes. Okay, not too bad. Other things you can do. Let's ignore the rest of this shape here, and let's just work with the front face here. Let's say I want to have something like a little hole or something cut out of here. Here's how you could do it. I could go to face select mode. I could delete this face. Okay, so I'm sort of seeing in. And now I can add new vertices and I can place them where I want. So let's go to vertex select mode. I'll go up here and I'm going to extrude. And I'm going to be careful with my X and Y directions, right, as I move these things. But you can see here I can go extrude X, grab Y, or sorry, grab Z. Move it down a bit. I could go extrude X, and you can see what I'm doing here. Extrude Z, extrude X, and let's say I want to just sort of leave it at this here. I can now make faces out of these. So I could take these 2 vertices here, hold the shift key, fill, connect with a line. I'm going to select that one and this one, fill with a line. I'll take this one and this one, fill with a line. I'll take this one and this one, fill with a line. And now you can fill them with faces. So you can see here if I go to edge select mode, I could select edges, fill. Select those 2 edges, fill. These 2 edges, fill. And those 2 edges, fill. And you can see how you can start building. You can even select multiple things when you do things like extrude, like that edge, that edge, that edge, that edge, extrude, and extrude in, and fill. I got 4 of them selected, and fill. And so you can see how you can make pretty well any shape you want if you want to take the time to build it up. So in case you're doing your little project model in a bit, and you've got a shape and you're like, I can't seem how to build it, you can always go into edit mode and literally start. I'm just going to delete this. And you can literally start just with a plane and then go into edit mode. And then if you want, you could delete these 3 vertices. And you could just have, if you hit A for all, Oh, did I delete everything? Whoops. There we go. You can see that if you delete the vertices, I had edges selected there. If you delete all the vertices, just those three, delete them, you're just left with that one vertice right there. You hit A for all, right? You can get it. And then you just start building from there. Extrude Y, extrude X, extrude Y. And you just keep moving, make your shape, and then you can fill it and build it up with an extrude. Hope that maybe helps some of you when you encounter that weird, odd shaped piece.